The principles of object-oriented programming depend on a few basic concepts, and one of the most important concepts is encapsulation. Encapsulation means that you are packaging complex functionality to make it easy to use. When you first create Java applications, most new programmers will put all of their code into the main method, and I have been doing that in the first two sections of this course. But you quickly find out as your application gets larger and gains features that putting all the code into one place makes that code very tough to manage. So instead you want to break the code out into individual classes, grouping the functionality. However, the logic dictates for your application. When you do this, you have some big advantages. One advantage is that you can restrict access. One part of the application might be able to use a particular function, or another part of the application wouldn't be allowed. If you put all the code in one place, that's tough to restrict. When you break it apart, it's easier. Similarly, when you store data in a Java class, if you wrap it up as encapsulated data, you have the option of hiding how it's being stored. This ensures that data structures and methods are used as intended. Within a class, data members and methods can be declared as either private, public, or protected to explicitly enforce encapsulation. And we are going to cover private, public, and protected in the next lecture when we will talk about the access modifiers. So the idea of encapsulation is that you encapsulate your data members and methods, and then you hide everything about that object except what is absolutely necessary to expose. And the effort that we'll put into encapsulating your classes can still be very useful when creating other classes, as we will see with inheritance.